there are people who can afford good education, but उनका क्या जो afford नहीं कर सकते, don't they deserve it? अब जब मैंने IELTS की क्लासेस स्टार्ट करी तो मुझे लगा this is something wherein I need to go into depths, you know, I need to understand a lot of concepts. Speaking में स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि बहुत ही रॉकेट साइंस वाली vocabulary डालनी पड़ेगी, बट ऐसा है नहीं. They are looking for conversational English which they can understand. At the same time आपको robotic sound नहीं करना है.
Hello students, welcome back to the wonderful platform of PW, IELTS and TOEFL Prep. I am back again with a wonderful session, but today I'm having a surprise for you guys, and guess what? We have our new faculty, Vandana ma'am. I know that you guys are going to love her. She's so amazing. She's very talented. And one more thing I would like to tell you over here, that she has appeared for IELTS examination and has an impressive 8.5 bands. So hello ma'am, welcome to this platform.
Thank you, Tanya ma'am. How are you doing today?
I'm doing just amazing as I met you. So yeah, let's get started.
Sure.
Amazing. So ma'am, you've got an impressive score of 8.5 bands. That's really commendable and congratulations for that at first. But I would love to know कि मैम आपने शुरू कैसे किया? I mean education industry में, how did you step in and how it all started?
Honestly, if I tell you, this profession was served to me on a silver platter. So मैंने start किया as a communication skills coach in an organization where I myself was a student. They had a vacancy and मैंने apply करा. I was trained and I started as a communication skills coach. Now within 3 months, they asked me to, start taking IELTS classes and they trained me on the same. अब जब मैंने IELTS की क्लासेस स्टार्ट करी तो मुझे लगा this is something wherein I need to go into depths, I need to understand a lot of concepts. And that is when that seed was sown, when I decided that I am myself going to take this exam one day. However, even before taking the exam, I was able to do well. And, जब आपके students, जब पहला student अच्छा score लाके दिखाता है, तो वो जो मोमेंट होता है, एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ वो मोमेंट आया कि जब मेरे पहले स्टूडेंट ने अच्छा स्कोर लाके दिखाया, देन आई रियलाइज दैट दिस इज द थिंग आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू.
Makes sense.
सो इट्स बिन गुड 7 लॉन्ग ईयर्स एंड लाइक आई सेड, मैंने उसी टाइम डिसाइड कर लिया था, उसी 2017 में कि ये एग्जाम देना है, विच आई वेंट अहेड एंड टुक द एग्जाम लास्ट ईयर. God has been kind. I was planning for 9 bands and I got impressive 8.5. But yes, I'll be taking the exam again until I get that 9 band score.
That's amazing. Matlab, seriously, that's way too impressive. Seriously, ma'am. You're so aspiring, you're so inspiring and like amazing.
You
So-
yourself are.
Fair enough, ma'am. So, like PW में, like how it has been so far, like you joined PW and how it all happened. Could we share that as well?
PW was like the dream organization I wanted to work for. And सिर्फ एक reason की वजह से, one solid reason. Because PW believe करता है in providing quality education at affordable cost. Now, this is something that aligns with me personally also. मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है like there are people who can afford good education, but उनका क्या जो afford नहीं कर सकते, don't they deserve it? So PW का ये जो motto है, that providing good education at affordable cost, this aligned with me, and the moment I got an opportunity, I jumped into it and grabbed it with both hands.
No doubt, no doubt. That's a really, I can say that's something that you've quoted just now. It's something really amazing and that's true, for sure, that's true. So, okay. So, ma'am, what's your further upcoming plans? Like, are you coming up with anything or is there any plannings or something? Definitely I and our students would love to know about it.
I'm coming up with a series on IELTS essay writing, mastering IELTS essay writing.
Okay, that's amazing. And may I know like where it would be going to?
It's going to be live on YouTube.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I'll be live on YouTube twice a week. एंड मैं बहुत सारे मिथ बस्ट करने वाली हूँ इस सीरीज में,
Okay.
which
So, ma'am, thoda sa insight if we can get to our students, like what are the myths? Okay, so you have appeared for IELTS examination, so yes, definitely you might have encountered with a lot of things. So yes, some just go ahead.
देखो राइटिंग मिथ्स तो मैं अपनी सीरीज में ही बस्ट करने वाली हूँ. कमिंग टू अदर मिथ्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट स्पीकिंग. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पीकिंग में स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि बहुत ही रॉकेट साइंस वाली वोकैबुलरी डालनी पड़ेगी, बट ऐसा है नहीं. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर कॉन्वर्सेशनल इंग्लिश विच दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एट द सेम टाइम आपको रोबोटिक साउंड नहीं करना है. एंड एज फार एज ईडियम्स आर कंसर्न, इतना उसका शोर मचा हुआ है ईडियम्स का कि आपके हर आंसर में ईडियम होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू बोम्बार्ड योर आंसर्स विद ईडियम्स. ऐसा नहीं है. आई थिंक यू नीड टू स्प्रिंकल ईडियम्स हेयर एंड देयर at the right time, but not going overboard with them.
Makes sense, makes sense. So students, kindly note, ये तो speaking के myths है. If you actually want to know more myths, just please join ma'am sessions, and I know you guys are going to be really happy, and it's going to be really very helpful to you. Okay, ma'am. So I would just like to have a little bit of experience of yours of teaching with students. Like, how has your experience been when it comes to teaching, and when you just started your career or something? तो कैसा था वो?
See, you have to be flexible. आप सारे स्टूडेंट्स को एक ही स्टाइल से नहीं टीच कर सकते. There are going to be students who are basics, who are at basic level, who are not so confident. And ऐसे भी students आएंगे who are super advanced and comfortable with the language. So you have to be flexible. आपको sometimes you'll have to go 100% in English. Sometimes you'll have to come with English plus Hindi. And I believe इसमें confidence बहुत बड़ा role play करता है. It's not only about cramming grammar rules and giving them tips and strategies. It's also about, hand holding them in a way so that उनका confidence increase हो. And I believe यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है हम trainers को बहुत ज़रूरत है कि हम उन्हें appreciate करें at the right time. So yes, it's a blend of lot many things when you talk about, teaching using different styles.
Exactly. So definitely the student needs to cater to an English proficiency test. So what I believe is people don't think a second before judging. So that's how that's going to make them a bit low on the confidence. So definitely we need to just, cheer them up when it comes to, motivating them. So, motivation se aada hai. Definitely, ma'am, I would like to have you, just have something, just tell something to our students that's going to motivate them for their IELTS examination, and to all the students who are definitely preparing themselves for IELTS and TOEFL examination. So, yes. Something for them.
When I was coming for this podcast, on the way, I was reflecting on my own journey. मैं अपनी journey के बारे में सोच रही थी. How I have reached PW and stuff like that. And this quote came to my mind that it only seems impossible until it's done. तो जब तक वो हो नहीं जाता बस तब तक impossible लगेगा. एक बारी हो गया फिर तो आपको लगेगा it was a piece of cake.
Exactly.
तो आपका अगर टारगेट है कि 8 बैंड स्कोर करना है तो probably अभी के लिए शायद वो बहुत बड़ा टास्क है. बट एक बार आपने स्कोर कर लिया फिर तो आप कहोगे कि अब नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में 9 बैंड का टारगेट रखते हैं. इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट.
Amazing, ma'am. Amazing. So I hope this is going to help our students, and seriously, ma'am, you have such an inspiring journey, and definitely for sure it's going to inspire our students over here who are there preparing for IELTS examination. And I know many of the students who are very demotivated, they might not be getting that motivation to come up with that band score that they are aiming for. So yes, I think you are going to help them like a lot. So yes, students, make a note of each and everything that ma'am has told you so far, and just try until you get succeed. So yes, keep on preparing, keep on learning, and keep on practicing, of course. We are there to help you, and we are there to help you with each and every step of yours, and definitely we're going to help you in order to achieve the band score that you are aiming for. So yeah, that's all, ma'am. Would you like to say anything else to our students?
That's about it. I'll meet them in my live series then.
Sure, fair enough. So guys, just make a note of it that if you want to just have a just a good class from ma'am, then please be there on the YouTube session, and the link and the description and everything of that class will be shared to you soon.